Tesla's Gigafactory Berlin has recently started up and it has reached some promising milestones already. Today we will be diving into the future of Giga Berlin and the recent achievements it has gained. But before we get started, welcome to Tesla Unity, where we talk about the future X of Tesla, Tesla stock, and Elon Musk's projects. If you're new here, it will be greatly appreciated if you liked and subscribed to our channel. It's free and you can always change your mind. Tesla ramping up fast. Giga Berlin shooting for 2,000 Model Y a week. Tesla passed 1K EVs produced per week in Germany. Now it's reportedly aiming for 2K soon, with a goal of 3 Kelvins later this fall. When Tesla opened its newest factories in Germany and Texas, it was clear it would be a long time before the factories could ramp up significantly. In fact, Tesla provided its annual production and delivery estimates, stating that it wasn't counting on Giga Berlin or Giga Texas to make a monumental impact, since Giga Shanghai and Tesla's Fremont factory are cranking out EVs at an increasing speed. Nonetheless, Tesla already hit the milestone of 1,000 Model Y crossovers produced per week in Berlin by June 2022. The same goal was achieved at Giga Texas much more recently. At any rate, new reports are suggesting that Tesla is hoping to produce 2,000 Model Y per week in the near future. As we previously reported, the goal is for the Tesla factory in Germany to reach a run rate of 3,000 EVs per week by this October 2022. Keep in mind that Tesla's CEO Elon Musk has been raving about the Model Y since he first unveiled it. Musk has gone so far as to say that it will eventually be the best-selling vehicle across the globe, and it's already making notable strides. With 2 factories making Model Y crossovers in the US for the local market, as well as a factory in China producing the electric crossover for local and global consumption, Tesla is already proving that it can begin to chip away at the high demand by reducing Model Y delivery times. Now, focusing on the European market seems paramount. The new 2,000 Model Y per week goal was reported by Teslarati based on details from the German publication Tesla Mag. The article cites reports suggesting that Tesla aims to achieve the goal sometime in September 2022. If the EV maker can pull it off, it will have doubled its production capacity in just a few months. Adding another 1,000 EVs produced per week in another month or so doesn't seem impossible, but we'll have to wait and see how the ramp up to 2,000 progresses before we speculate about when Tesla might actually hit 3,000. It's important to note that even though Tesla just recently opened Giga Berlin, it has already carried out some upgrades to speed up production. The same has been true of Giga Shanghai and Giga Texas. Tesla continues to prove that it can increase its production speed at factories across the globe and that the upgrades are actually making a notable impact. This helps to make it more clear that those same strategies and upgrades may have a similar impact at each of Tesla's factories. Tesla Giga Berlin impresses both Jefferies and UBS after factory visit. Tesla Gigafactory Berlin is only getting started, but it is already impressive for a number of financial companies. After a visit to Giga Berlin, teams from Jefferies and UBS shared some of their observations about the Germany-based plant, and they were pretty positive. Jefferies analyst Philippe Houchois, for example, maintained a buy rating and adjusted his price target for TSLA stock to $350 per share. The analyst was optimistic following investor meetings and a visit to Gigafactory Berlin, noting that Tesla is leading a transformation in the industry. A day of investor meetings and a visit to Berlin's new plant keep us convinced Tesla is leading industry transformation with a business model driven by resource efficiency, the analyst commented. UBS was also optimistic about Tesla, which reportedly highlighted that Giga Berlin could become the most profitable gigafactory with COGS that are closer to Giga Shanghai's levels. The firm also noted that it expects auto gross margin to exceed 30%. Tesla highlighted that Berlin could become the most profitable gigafactory as COGS will get close to Shanghai levels, i.e., much better than Fremont, while European product mix will be the highest in the world, much higher than China. We agree with this assessment, which is why we expect auto gross margin to exceed 30% from H2 22 onwards, UBS noted. Particularly interesting were UBS observations that a number of Giga Berlin sections are ready for a production rate of 10,000 vehicles per week. The firm also noted that by the end of the year, Tesla plans to fully use Giga presses for the Model Y's front-end underbody, which would be a step towards the company's Germany-made vehicles also using a 4,680 structural battery pack. We were the first broker to get a Giga Berlin tour together with key clients. We saw a very busy factory floor, obviously making good progress towards the 5,000 car per week target run rate by year end. Parts of the plant are even ready for 1OK vehicles per week. with a sequence time of 45 seconds by car and 10 hours from the body shop to final assembly. Tesla believes it is more than twice as fast as VW's MEB plant. The key process innovation is gigacasting, which replaces an army of welding robots for a single rear-end underbody part. By year-end, Tesla plans to do the front-end underbody also as a single die cast piece with a total of 8 giga presses, enabling the use of a 4680 structural battery. Tesla expects to have in-house 4680 cell supply up and running by then next door, UBS noted. The observations of Jefferies and UBS were undoubtedly bullish for the electric vehicle maker. In a way, it appears that Tesla is currently putting some effort into showcasing its Germany-based factory to several financial firms. Tesla head of investor relations Martin Vieja, for example, also noted on Twitter that he had taken Pierre Ferragu of New Street Research around Giga Berlin. In a tweet, Vieja lightly noted that Ferragu had driven a Tesla Germany-made Model Y Performance in Giga Berlin, which the analyst later observed was built like a German premium car. This is quite a lot of praise for Tesla, as its vehicles have been scrutinized over the years for every single imperfection, from paint quality to panel alignment. Hurdles ahead for Tesla. The state government may be happy to do another deal with Tesla. The new factory is boosting economic activity in an area where previously there was very little, but the same local concerns that bedeviled Tesla when it started to develop the primary site for its German factory will present hurdles to the new parcel as well. As with the current site, the new area is overgrown with pine trees. Environmental groups were unhappy that Tesla cut down a lot of trees on the existing property it owns, even though it promised to plant many more elsewhere. The Grünheide Municipal Council would also need to change the development plan for the area, a process that could begin as early as June of this year. Finally, the Strasbourg-Erkner Water Board would have to approve the project. Like the current site, the 100 hectares are also located in a water protection area. The amount of water needed to operate the new factory already caused consternation among local residents, and the new expansion plan will reinvigorate many of the same concerns. Tesla announced previously that it wants to receive as many components and supplier products as possible by rail and ship, and move most of the vehicles manufactured at the Grünheide factory to market by rail as well. Access to the German rail system was therefore one of the prime considerations in determining where to build Tesla's first factory in Europe. The new expansion plan apparently will facilitate the linkage Tesla wants with the German rail system. Do you think Tesla's Gigafactory Berlin was a flop? Let me know down below. If you want to continue to learn about Tesla, SpaceX, and Elon Musk, we have got 2 more videos waiting on the screen for you to check out. Don't forget to give this video a like, and subscribe for more videos about Tesla. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.